Do you know how to remove the author name from a MS Word file? Let's do it. Click and open the file. Click on File. Click on Info. You will find the time and date of the file, last modified and created time. Below you will find the author name. Now click on Check for Issues. Click on Inspect Document and click on Inspect. You will find the document properties and personal information. Click on Remove All and close. Now come back and save the file. Again come back, click on Info, and now you see the author name has been gone. That's all. Thank you.